Hello everyone, welcome to Neil's World, and this is Neil. Today's video is about how you can convert your mobile phone camera into a webcam. I'll show you and I'll talk about an app which will help you do that for free. The app that I'm talking about is called Iriun. So let me show you what it is and how you can download and install and set it up for using your mobile phone as a webcam. So let me show you my phone screen, and to download it, go to Play Store on Android, or if you use iPhones, you can also find it in your iOS App Store. Search for Iriun 4K webcam for PC and Mac. So this is the application that I'm talking about. You can download it free, use it for free. Even though it has an in-app purchase option, even without purchasing the app, you can use to its full potential. I already have this app installed. So the next step is that this app also has a PC client that you will require for connecting this mobile phone camera to the laptop or to your desktop. So let's start. Let's see how we can download this PC client. So you have to go to this website iriun.com, where you can find the different clients for your different operating systems. For Windows, for Mac, for Ubuntu, all are available. So it is a cross-platform client. So once you downloaded the client for your system, I have Windows, so I have already downloaded and installed the Windows version for it. You can download the version for your operating system, Mac, Ubuntu, or Windows, whatever you use. So once you download, you will find the app installed in your PC, and you have to connect between the two applications. To do that, I'll show how to do this, and let me go and show the screen. Iriun webcam application, once you download, so it says no phone available. So what you need to do, at the same time, you need to open the phone browser and hit the continue button. So once you try to connect in the phone browser, it says waiting for connection. Because I have already opened the Iriun app, I'm connected through my Google Pixel to the Iriun app. So now the both are connected by Wi-Fi. You can also use USB cable, which will give you lower latency connections. I am already using a different phone with the USB cable, and I do not have extra port to show you the latency differences. You can use an USB cable that came with your mobile phone to connect to your PC. And one more thing, when you connect with USB cable, you may also require to enable the developer options in your phone and enable the USB debugging options to connect through the USB cable and to use your mobile phone as the webcam. So this is how you can do. This is a very simple step. You need to download the app, download the PC client, connect via Wi-Fi or USB, and there you go. You have a webcam applications. How do you use that webcam? In different applications like Zoom and all. In Zoom or in Meet or in any other software like Streamyarda or Restream, wherever you require to select a webcam, you will find the Iriun webcam in the drop-down menu, along with the default webcam that you might already have. So you select the Iriun webcam and your phone will act as a webcam. Presently, I am using my phone as a webcam. I'm recording the whole thing using my phone, acting as a webcam. I'm using a different software. I'll talk about that software in a later video. But as a free software, Iriun 4K webcam does its job pretty well. So if you somehow found this video useful, please consider liking this video and also subscribe my channel for more videos on Android applications and web services. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.